Welcome to BrandBytes, my low-calorie, high-impact brand strategy appetizers by me, Suzanne Tulien, brand clarity expert with Brand Ascension. This BrandByte number 10 is all about creating brand differentiation and competitive advantage. We all want to believe we are different from our competitors, but most of the time, that thought is just that. It's a thought, and it generally lives in the minds of the business owner, not necessarily in the rest of the employee team. We can all say, we do better quality work, or we have better solutions to our client's problem. Does this sound familiar? Well, unfortunately, that's not good enough anymore. Your customers and prospects are looking for true distinction that they can understand in terms of quantifiable data, actions, and behaviors of your brand. So what does that mean? Let me share a quick example of one of our clients who is an endodontic practice, a specialist in root canal therapy, and we help them uncover some powerful differentiators that are true and authentic to them and create tangible differentiation to the patients and the local community in the market landscape that they serve. Before identifying and defining their unique brand DNA, they used to tout that they had quality service, they had caring doctors and state-of-the-art technology. Well, just about every other endodontic competitor says the same thing in their marketing collateral, their social media and website. So this presents a dilemma in creating distinction. So in the brand DNA process, we dug much deeper, and with our powerful exercises in my brand DNA program, we help them flush out quantifiable differentiators that blow their competition away and are totally unique to their practice, such as 5-time award winner in customer service excellence through the Better Business Bureau. They have intellectual capital of over 100 years cumulative experience as endodontists. They have a member of the Scientific Advisory Board of Journal of Endodontics. They've listed one graduate from the renowned Misch Institute for Implants, and they're all recognized in the 5280 top dentists. They have 2 assistant professors at UCHSC, 325 years of cumulative dental experience in the staff, and they have 7 published endodontists on the board. That's just naming a few differentiators that help them blow their competition out of the water. I'm sure your brand has these hidden differentiators that are waiting to come out and become your competitive advantage. So, when you're ready to get crystal clear on what makes you and your brand unique, consider my proven brand DNA consulting program and leverage your competitive advantage now. That is my BrandByte for this time. I hope you didn't get too full. For more information on building your brand experience and my book, Brand DNA, or a brand assessment breakthrough session with me, go to brandascension.com. And remember, your brand is your business. Thanks for elevating conscious branding in business.